Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like videos inside of text, like layer them, I guess. So I'm just going to add in some videos here. Just going to like layer them like that. Need like one bright one. There we go. Then I'm going to go and add in the text. Going to add the text I meant. Just going to type in CapCut because why not? Make the font size bigger. Go to project, go to background, and select a black stock video and place it underneath the text here. Freeze frame it, and you're just going to adjust the duration till the end. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to blend mode, and select the darken one. Select this video. I'm just going to select this one first, and I want the UT to show, and I'm just going to place it a little bit here. Go to mask and select the horizontal one, and you're just going to want to crop it like that. Then I want this one to be in the PC one, like the letters. You can just move it if you'd like to, but if you want like a certain part, you're going to want to have to mask it. I'm actually going to change the CA one to something else like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.